process of chiseling out this old seam sealer, getting it all clean out of all the nooks and crannies. I'm gonna try to get this primed either today or tomorrow, and then doing the underside of the rockers, treating all the little spots of rust, grinding out all the old seam sealer out of all the edges. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. This is that G body that we've been working on. So this will be the first thing in primer. We don't feel good today. So we've taken a little bit of a hiatus the past 2 days from recording. But we got this.
We sound nasally.
Yeah. So we got this ready for first primer. So she's all stripped to metal. I got all the old seam sealer all taken out of the edges and everything. So now we're just gonna cut this out and tape it and get it in first primer. And then we can start all our body work over the epoxy primer and get all that done.
Woohoo!
Yep. And this is the 79 Monte Carlo that we've been working on. And I forgot to take video of us putting the doors on.
It's kind of hard. Well, I guess you could put a stand.
So we got this side on, throwing the fenders on now. So obviously this isn't a fitment, just got one bolt sitting in there. But this door is fit. So we can do our panel to panel body work after.
When these feelings run high, I'm gonna feel alive, like the rebirth that comes from within inside. I've got insight, fuck pride, I'ma live this life with no fear, swagger in my stride, this is who I am. See, sometimes it might seem hard, but you gotta push on to the next frame of my yo. Love life, living in sunshine. Love life, living in sunshine. Stay with me. We can't let this go, you see. You see that I am cool and cold. A forest in my mind, a where it goes. Oh, free me swimming in this ocean breeze, cause no one gets out of your life. Oh my friend, you're like a stone, elected once and you hold on your own, yeah. Let's bring back the sunshine, let's bring back the sunshine. Stay with me. We can't let this go, you see. I'm up in arms. Can't you see what's really going on? Can't you see that I am cool and cold? Yeah, I am cool. 'cause no one gets out of here alive.
Bumpers off.
Now we can really see how messed up this rear filler panel is. So it'll all be getting replaced. Water.
How you doing?
Nothing loose.
Loose. Nothing over.
Yep. Slow.
Next morning.
Too bad there's not a prettier looking person behind the camera.
So we're gonna let this sit for, I don't know, a day or two. And then Nikki's gonna wet sand, so that'll get rid of all these tiny little specks of dust in random places. So blacks are always real hard. But it turned out pretty clean.
Yeah, it did.
That's 3 coats of Concept 2021. So it's PPG, it's super thick. So she'll have plenty of room to wet sand.
He's gonna be happy.
Oh, he's gonna be soaked.
This looks so good.
Pretty cool. All right, you ready to use the power pusher to pull it around?
My favorite.
All right, we got it pushed around, and this is just fresh out of the booth. It has not been wet sanded or buffed, obviously. So all the little stuff will get taken care of. That slight amount of texture that's in it. So that orange peel, that'll all be smoothed out perfect. This is a very high solids clear coat, so by the time you get 3 coats on it, it textures out pretty good. But it does wet sand nicely. So it shouldn't take much to make this perfect. So that'll be the next video. We'll show you guys how Nikki wet sands and buffs and gets a completely mirror reflection from that. So that'll be next one. And Nikki is wet sanding now. She's doing the 1500. So this is the first stage. So it's just by hand with 1500 grit, avoiding all of the edges. And this is what really glasses it out. How's it sanding?
Really good.
Good?
Yep.
Cool. Well, I will leave you be. All right, Nikki is all done with the wet sand, and she's already started on her first stage of buffing. You're moving pretty quick for a black.
It's not bad.
Don't look at all my buffing.
So this is just the first stage of buff, so obviously it has that hologram through. That's from that cutting pad. And the combination of the cutting pad and the buffer. But once we're finished, it will be perfect. So this kind of gives you an idea of what the texture is going to be. Looking pretty awesome, Santa.
Thank you.
All done for the day?
Yeah, I'm tired.
So we got the very first stage of compound done on this side. Turned out pretty good. So that's 1500, 2000 grit, 3000 grit, and 5000 grit. Correct?
Oh yeah.
So it still needs wiped off, but pretty mirrored out, looking pretty nice. Good job.
Thank you.
So we'll show you guys this process on another one. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. It's a lot of the same stuff. We'll figure out how to show you how we're doing it one of these days, but in the meantime, we'll just show you when they're done and as they're being done. So thank you. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What about you, Jesse? Got anything to say?
Where's the oil at?
Bye-bye.